The TB-1 was developed in October of 2021 to help further expand the EP's fleet. It would also be one of the last series of road locomotives to be built for the Ellibian Pacific. It began its life as an 040 type of road locomotive, as it was initially being experimented in passenger service. It also sets the record for the widest unit built for the EP at around 7 inches, which was an initial concern after it was built, but that concern was slowly put to rest as the TB-1 pressed on into its early days of service. As the months went on, the TB-1 was given some upgrades to alter its physical appearance, mostly on the running gear, which included brand new EP1 valve gear, which was later modified to EP2 valve gear. In late 2022, the Ellibian Pacific decided to assign the TB-1 to the most popular passenger cargo road train to ever roam on the EP system.
I'd like to show you another reason why you should make the switch to Ellibian Pacific. This is the recently launched Thunderbolt Limited Express road train you can buy tickets for if you call or go online. At Ellibian Pacific we are all about transporting passengers and cargo within a matter of minutes, with no middleman. So for fast transportation you can rely on, even on the Thunderbolt Limited, go to ellibianpacific.com or call.
Up until February 2023, complaints went to the EP regarding the shaking when riding onboard the TB-1 unit. This was mostly in part due to the running gear on the road locomotive. Later that month, the EP changed the TB-1 from an 040 to a duplex, making it the first non-articulated road locomotive to ever operate under Ellibian Pacific ownership. This change would ultimately result in smoother riding, eradicating the quaking from the 040 layout. The TB-1 duplex would then soldier on into its final months of service until EP's permanent closure in August 2023, and as of the making of this episode, there are plans to reactivate the TB-1 duplex for the first time in months. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and comment. And if you wish to see another episode of this series, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss when we upload a new video. We'll see you next time.